Welcome back. So this is where we had left. We can now see on our MetaMask. We can open this extension and just simply click on it. So currently I'm already in the MetaMask page. So we have currently just 0 Ethereum.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie's Academy.
So basically in this lecture we'll now learn to create our first NFT. So what I would suggest you is go to Rarible. You can simply search in Google for Rarible. I guess it will open Rarible.com. So Rarible, that would be for Rarible.com. And just wait while this is being loaded. So the process that we create NFT is called as mint. It's called as mint. So mint, that's what the word is used when we create a non-fungible token. So we need to use different sort of websites, or we can call them as the marketplace. So there are variety of marketplace where we need to dive right in order to mint our non-fungible tokens. So there are variety of marketplace to buy, sell and create your NFTs. So each of these marketplace not only has their specific cryptocurrencies, but they might need a different sort of way for you to create them. For example, somewhere here you are said to sign in or create. You would probably have to link your wallet in different way, and there are other websites like that as well. So some of these website or the marketplace accept ether, and some accept like bakery tokens and other kinds. So if I had to give an example, let's see when we click on our MetaMask. So if I had to give an example, suppose you have a wallet where you store different foreign currencies. Just like in the similar way, we have MetaMask. So MetaMask is a digital wallet for storing non-fungible tokens of different cryptocurrencies. So currently I just have 0 Ether as Ethereum only right now. So if you design on multiple different cryptocurrencies, then it will simply be able to store them on your digital wallet. So let's navigate on now Rarible.com. So you can see you can create things like your own art, your portrait, and you can see there are different sort of designs available on Rarible.com. So you can see different sort of collections also available. So you can sell from anything like even memes, your CryptoPunk designs, your even Photoshop's item, your graphic designs works, your rendered design, 3D designs also. So you can sell all of these items and in this Rarible.com. So in order to do that, first of all, what we need to do is sign in onto Rarible.com. So let's first of all sign in. And to sign in, you need to simply connect to your mobile or digital wallet. So you can connect to your MetaMask. It is the most popular option on Rarible.com. So this is the end way where we activate the extension or basically link our MetaMask wallet. So this might take certain time to link our wallet. So you can see here we have successfully linked our Rarible.com to MetaMask wallet. Now simply go next and then connect. So your Rarible is now connected to MetaMask, and now you need to agree that you are greater than or at least 13 years old and accept Rarible terms and service, and then you can simply proceed. So signing in is not like giving in an email ID on other website, but for non-fungible token you need to sign in with your wallet. Your wallet is what makes you distinct in the crypto world. So let's go back now. So we have already signed in. So now the next thing what we need to do is, you might be getting some messages right here. So if you want to see that message, you can click here. If you want to see your profile, you can go through here. So right now what we can do is we can start creating our non-fungible tokens. So let's leave the notification for right now. And when you go for creating a non-fungible token, then you get some options of timed or multiple. So if you want to choose single, and in single, like you have your single collection, and in multiple you can provide your multiple collection. If you want to go through single path, you can go single path, or you can choose multiple as well. Now here you have to upload some uh, png, gif, or video format or audio format file, and then give a price for that. And then let's follow along. Let me upload an item right here. So once you have uploaded a file, so try to keep that file original that to your work. So this is an image that I had taken back when I was traveling. So now you have an option. As you scroll down, you'll find this: put on the marketplace if you want to keep it or not. If you don't want to keep it, then this will be not for sale. Then if you want to keep it on Rarible's marketplace, then you would have to give it a price. You would want to give it for timed auction, or you would want to open it for bids, or you'd want to keep it a fixed price. If you want to open it for bids, then you don't have to give it any price. And you can also keep for timed auction of minimum amount of bidding, or you can keep some fixed price. Say you want to keep 1 Ethereum, so roughly, definitely that is an expensive price for the photo. So let's see if I can keep. So I guess that's fine. Let us keep some near $200. And the service fee that contains 2.5%. And the content will be unlocked. So this is self clear. Content will be unlocked after successful transaction. And you would have to give some digital key or code to redeem or a link to a file, or you can simply not select this option as well. And then you have the option to choose the collection. You can select the variable singles for this thing. And previously in this Rarible website, as you would be uploading basically, or creating your non-fungible tokens, where you would have to pay for some gas fees. So what are gas fees? Gas fees are basically the processing fees, because this is the world of blockchain, and for every item you are placing, there is some blockchain transaction taking place. So there is some processing fees involved in that, so which is called as basically gas fees. So you can upload your content for free using free minting option that Rarible provides. Previously this option you use not it was not available. Nowadays you have free minting option where you can, basically you would not have to pay for your gas fees, and the one who is buying this would have to pay for your gas fees. And now you would need a title for this. You can say, let's say you can say anything like, so I have named this as Mount Fistel. And you can leave a description, that is an optional. And now you'd also probably have to keep some royalties. So what are royalties? So basically, if someone, you have already sold your image in the non-fungible token world, through Rarible, someone has bought, and now that person decides to resell it in the Rarible website. So when he decide to resell this item and some transaction takes place there, then you would get a certain percentage of royalties for this item that you have placed on the non-fungible token world. So royalties are basically a great way that you can earn through multiple transactions that can happen in this Rarible website. So you might understand what royalties are from different music, audios, videos, collections. So this is and definitely an advantageous way for you to earn. If you don't want to any royalties, you can leave it to 0%, and if you want some royalties, you can always leave it to some fixed percentage. Let's say 15% for this image. And you have advanced setting option also. You can give some properties and alternative text, but these both are optional. And now you can just start creating the item. So creating item, which is definitely minting. So we have selected for free minting. So free minting or free creation of non-fungible token, so that we have to wait. So it's successfully uploaded. Now minting. So minting is basically creating of our non-fungible token. Now we had to wait for MetaMask to, let's see, some actions from MetaMask. So here is a signature request, and you simply have to sign in. So as I said earlier, previously on the Rarible, the free minting option was not available. So in the previous days when this option was not available, you would have to pay certain gas fees, which are basically so the processing or transaction fees, because you are placing your item on the blockchain world. Someone has to uh, use up their computer resource for that, and currently there is free minting option, so the buyer has to do all that. So you simply have to sign on this signature request for minting, simply sign there, and now your minting work or creation of non-fungible token will be done. So as said here, send mint transaction is done, this is approved, and now it is being put on sale. While this is being put on sale, there is one more MetaMask notification being waited or being loaded, so let's wait for that. So here is your message, and there are a bunch of zeros codes. Now you simply have to sign to accept and to in order to keep this item on sale. So we've done that. Now you can see your NFT is successfully created. Mountain Fishtail. It will be minted in blockchain while purchasing or transferring. So now you can simply see your NFT, and this is how we created our first non-fungible token in using Rarible.com. So here we have placed here with the sale value of 0.02 Ethereum. So this is on the Ether currency. You had an option to select different type of currency as well, and that is all for your non-fungible token using this Rarible.com. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to learn something more about non-fungible token and how we can create some more ways. So that's all for this lecture. I'll see you on the next one now.